Transform your Substack's clunky web address into something truly unforgettable and branded. First things first, you'll need to be logged into your Substack account. Navigate to your personal dashboard. This is where all the magic happens for your publication. Once you're in your dashboard, look for the Settings option. It's usually found in the left-hand sidebar, often represented by a gear icon or simply labeled Settings. Click on Settings, and you'll be taken to a page with various options. We're interested in publication details. Find that section and click to expand it if it's not already open. Within Publication Details, you'll see a field labeled Your Publication can be found at. This is your current Substack URL. You'll notice an edit icon or a clickable link next to it. Click on that edit icon or link now. You can type in your desired custom URL. Think about something short, memorable, and reflective of your Substack's niche or your personal brand. Avoid spaces or special characters. As you type, Substack will let you know if your chosen URL is available. Once you've settled on a perfect, available web address, scroll down to the bottom of the page and click on the Save Changes button. And just like that, you've successfully changed your Substack link. Congratulations on personalizing your publication with a unique and memorable web address that's easier to share and beautifully represents your brand.